Several manufacturers offer smoke detectors in brown and black. First Alert provides a brown smoke detector with model number 27. DA and a black smoke detector with model number 27. DC. HID offers a brown smoke detector designated Nighthawk X and a black smoke detector, model A12050. System Sensor produces a brown smoke detector, model 2954, and a black smoke detector, model 2953. It is generally not recommended to paint smoke detectors because this may compromise their proper functioning and void any existing warranty. Other options to consider include ceiling mount camouflage kits. Some smoke detector manufacturers offer camouflage kits that allow the user to match the detector to the color of the ceiling. These kits are designed to blend the smoke detector seamlessly with the surrounding surface. Recessed smoke detectors are installed flush with the ceiling. This minimizes their visibility. While they are typically available only in white, it may be possible to find recessed detectors with a brown or black fascia. Wireless smoke detectors are battery operated and can be placed anywhere in the room. This allows you to position them out of sight. When selecting a smoke detector, several factors should be considered. Firstly, understand the different types of smoke detectors. The two primary types are ionization and photoelectric. Ionization smoke detectors are generally more responsive to flaming fires, while photoelectric smoke detectors are typically more sensitive to smoldering fires. Some detectors use a combination of both technologies. Secondly, ensure compliance with safety standards. Look for smoke detectors that meet the standards set by organizations such as Underwriters Laboratories, also known as UL, or other relevant safety certification bodies. These certifications indicate that the detector has been tested and meets specific performance requirements. Thirdly, consider the power source. Smoke detectors can be powered by batteries hardwired into your home's electrical system, or a combination of both. Battery-powered detectors are easier to install, but require regular battery replacement. Hardwired detectors offer a more reliable power source but may require professional installation. Detectors with battery backup provide continuous protection even during power outages. Fourthly, placement is key to ensure proper detection. Install smoke detectors on every level of your home, inside bedrooms, and outside sleeping areas. Avoid placing detectors near kitchens or bathrooms where steam or cooking fumes can trigger false alarms. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for optimal placement. Fifthly, regular testing and maintenance are essential for smoke detectors to function correctly. Test your smoke detectors monthly by pressing the test button. Replace batteries at least once a year, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Clean smoke detectors regularly to remove dust and debris that can interfere with their operation. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions for specific cleaning guidelines. Sixthly, interconnected smoke detectors offer an enhanced level of protection. When one detector sounds an alarm, all interconnected detectors in the home will also sound, providing early warning throughout the house. This is especially important in larger homes or homes with multiple levels. Seventhly, consider smart smoke detectors that offer advanced features such as smartphone notifications, voice alerts, and integration with other smart home devices. These detectors can provide real-time updates and remote monitoring capabilities. Eighthly, check for any specific requirements. Some local building codes may have specific requirements for smoke detector installation, such as the type of detector, placement, or interconnection. Check with your local building department to ensure compliance with all applicable codes. Ninthly, understand the limitations of smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are designed to provide early warning of a fire, but they are not foolproof. They may not detect fires in certain situations, such as when the fire is small, smoldering, or located in a remote area of the home. Tenthly, develop and practice a fire escape plan. A well-defined fire escape plan is crucial for ensuring the safety of your family in the event of a fire. Practice the plan regularly so that everyone knows what to do and where to go. Also, keep pathways clear of obstructions and ensure that windows and doors can be easily opened. If you have concerns about the aesthetics of smoke detectors, explore options such as camouflage kits, recessed detectors, or wireless detectors that can be positioned out of sight. Contacting the manufacturer of existing smoke detectors is advisable to inquire about the possibility of painting or using a camouflage kit. Exploring the available options from various manufacturers is also prudent. It is important to ensure smoke detectors are functioning correctly at all times to protect the health and safety of the occupants. When choosing a smoke detector, consider factors such as the type of sensor, power source, placement, and features. Proper installation and maintenance are critical for reliable operation. Understanding the limitations of smoke detectors and developing a fire escape plan are also essential for ensuring the safety of your home and family.